नमस्कार म्हारा, मैं चुनाव शौर्यवली मुझे 7वीं कक्षा में मंचपरान मैंने स्कूल चुनाव जीडी गोइंका पब्लिक स्कूल जम्मू ओम नमः शिवाय. We know that the land of Kashmir has produced a number of saints. Mata Lalleshwari was one of them. She was a mystic and Shiv Yogini. With the help of her yoga sadhana, she was able to meet the Param Brahm Parameshwar. The name of her Guru Maharaj was Sri Kant. She was born in early 14th century in Kashmir. She was lovingly called Lal Ded in Kashmir. The, she was a great poetess of Kashmir. We know that the works of Mata Lalleshwari are world famous. I will recite two of them for you. मिथ्या कपट असत्रोवुम मनस्कुरुम सोयुपदे जनस अंदर केवल जोनुम एनस खनस कुश्चुम दोष ब्याक्षु लल बदरायस लोररे छारान लूसो दिन खैर रात वुछुम पंडित पनिनी करे सुरुटुम नक्षत्र तसात. नमस्कार.